Hello guys, it's Tiny Tangs here, and today we will be looking at section B of the St. Paul Girls 2017 sample paper. And before we start, let me show you my website. Wait, it's here. It's called tinytangs.com, and it usually takes a while to load up. But basically, you need to, for example, wait. Oh, this is a bit lagging. But basically, you need to log in from here or sign up and go to papers and intermediate maths challenges, junior maths challenges, whatever you want. This here is a video on my website and how to use my website. And yeah, and that's why you need to log in, because it blocks you from doing it. So you need to sign up to access the stuff. But yeah, thank you if you visited my website before. So our questions here, it says you are told that 56% of the pupils in a class are girls, which is the smallest number of pupils the class could contain. You could try trial and error, but what I focus on for this question is the 6, because if you know that it's going to be converted to 0.56 times something, and we need a whole number, so only 6 times 0 or 5 can work. And so let's try, for example, let's try ending in 0. So 10, no, because 0.56, that would just become 5.6. To 50, would that work? 0.56. Oh, that would actually work because it has a 5. But let's see if there's actually something smaller than this. So let's see. Let's try halving 50. 25 times 0.56. 56 times 25 equals 30. 28. 280. Oh, wait, what? Wait. Yeah, 280. Wait, let me just... Yeah. And then that would become 12, 10, 12, 0, 10. And then that becomes 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 4, 0, 0. And you take... Oh, that works. And because 25 is already an odd number and we couldn't halve it or just do stuff like that, I think the smallest number of pupils the class could contain, that would actually be 25. 25 is our answer for that one. Fence posts are erected 5 meters apart, with a post at each corner to surround if the field measures. So for this one, there are actually a lot of ways to do this, but what I did was I basically did 100 divided by 5, which equals to 20, and because it's 20 spaces in between, we need 21 poles. Because if you, for example, if there's, oh gosh, this is all going crazy. If there's a line like this, there are 2 spaces, but there are 3 poles. So it's the same logic here. So, and then I took 60 divided by 5 equals to 12, and then, so that becomes, is it 12? Yeah. So 12 plus 1 equals 13. 13 poles. So if we fence posts are So how many posts are needed? Let's calculate this. So it's gonna be 42. So double 21 plus 26 equals to 68. But this isn't our answer because what we did here is, for let's say these are, so, and let me use another colour. We actually repeated this point, this point, this point, and this point. So we take 68 minus 4 equals to 64, which is our answer. So you need to just remember that you need to take away the number of repeated ones. A boy spent 3/8 of his allowance and put a half of the remainder. So we need to make sure that it's the remainder. So a half of the remainder. So the remainder would be 5/8. So a half of that would be. Wait, you can't actually write it like this, but just for our conveniences, so half would be something like that. And therefore, how much? Then he had 15 left. So 15 is this 2.5. Wait, actually, let's just make half of that into. Let's make half of that equals to 5/16, which equals to £15 of his rest. So therefore 1/16 equals to £3. So at the start he had £24. For this question, a carpet measuring 4 meters by 3 meters covers 60% of the floor area in a rectangular room. What is the width of the room if the length is 5 meters? So what we do here is basically because the so wait. So for this one, 4 by 3 is 60%. So 12 meters squared equals to 60%. So therefore you can divide by 6 to get 10%. So 2 meters squared equals to 10%. The whole thing would be 20 meters squared. And 20 divided by 5 equals to 4 centimeters. Our answer is 4 centimeters. Views of the same cube. I actually don't really have a way of explaining this, but because of the angles, of the view, that 3 is opposite to 1. 3 is opposite to 1, and 2, 4, 6, 5 are like a loop around in the middle of the cube from this side. So, and you can know that 2 is opposite to 6 because, if you turn this cube around a bit that way, then you can get the same thing, and 5 would be that side. So the first one would obviously be different. So because 2 isn't the same side, is opposite to 6, so it can't be it can't be by 2, it can't be by 6. And the second one, 5 2, 5, 2. Yes, because 5 would be at that side, and if you flip it around, 3 would be at the bottom. So, yes, that's actually the same. And E is, wait. Yes, E would also be possible, because 4, because 6 is that side, and you can just sort of flip it, kind of like that way. So 4 would be the front one, and 3 would be down there, so it will work. For question 6, Bill sold his motor scooter to Tom for £120. Tom discovered. So he sold it back to Bill for 30% less than he paid. So Bill got got 120. Then Bill had to pay 30% less, so 130 times 0.7, which equals to 12 times 7 equals to 84. So Bill had to pay 84, so minus 84. And then Bill sold it to Jack, so plus 90. So 120 minus that equals to 26. And if you get this, wait, is it 26? No, 36, sorry. Oh, oop. Wrong thing. So that's 36. So there's 36 total, and then when you plus 90, so that becomes £126. And yeah, that's our answer for question 6. For question 7, at a railway station there are 2 platforms. At one platform trains leave every 24 minutes and the others every 30 minutes. So what I did for this one is I added up using the larger one, so it becomes 30, 60, 90, 120, and 120, 25. Oh, so that becomes 24, 48, 60, 72, 96, 120. So that's the same, and 120 is 20 minutes, is actually 2 hours, so 2 hours. The diagram shows a patio of concrete slabs. The shaded ones are cracked. What fraction of the total number of slabs is cracked? It's asking for a fraction, so it should be easier. So 4 times 6, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 7. So 7 over 24. And oh wait. Oh, okay. Never mind about that. So a 49 equals 7 times 7. This pattern basically. So what I've discovered is that this 6 here is the number of 8 in the number, and there are one more 4. There is one more 4 than 8 in the line, and there's always 1 9. So because there are 3 8s, so it would become 6667 times 6667. What will be the 10th number in the list? So it will be 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 4. One more. So 10 fours. And oh wait. 2. Oh yes. and 9/8. And a 9. So that would be on 10th number. What is the square root? So there's the same number of 6's. So 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 9 6's. 9 6's. And a 7. And I think, wait, let me just check. No, I think that's it. Wait, unless I've missed something. I think I actually might have missed something. Wait, let me just check because it's quite messy here. Oh, yep, I missed something. Wait, please give me a second when I just load this up. Oh, this is all messy because I can't really find this. Wait, what's all this? Oh, the system scrambled it up again. But anyways, I'll put the rest of this in sections in the video of section C, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed.